This method allows growing 3 different species of magnetotactic bacteria called MSR-1, AMB-1 and MS-1, all freshwater species and all from the genus Magnetospirillum. It is an essential first step for any kind of reproducible research involving these organisms.
Magnetotactic bacteria have very specific oxygen requirements, which is why they developed a magnetic navigation system. It is thus very important to control the amount of oxygen available to them.
Although this protocol has been optimized for a few specific strains of freshwater Magnetospirilla, its details can be optimized in order to accommodate the oxygen and nutrient requirements of other magnetotactic bacteria.
Safely install a nitrogen gas tank close to a bench on which there is enough space to set up the nitrogen station. Connect a piece of tubing to the tank that is long enough to reach the area where the station will be built. If necessary, apply Teflon tape at the output of the tank to avoid any leakage. To build a station capable of bubbling 5 bottles of medium at the same time, cut 4 pieces of tubing of approximately 5 centimeters in length. Assemble the pieces of tubing in a line with 3 3-way T-shaped plastic fittings. Connect one end of this line to the piece of tubing at the output of the nitrogen tank through an extra T-shaped fitting. Add a 90-degree elbow fitting at the other end. Use tape to attach the structure to a horizontal metal rod placed approximately 30 centimeters above the bench. Connect 5 pieces of tubing of approximately 20 centimeters in length to the free outputs of the installed fittings. Remove the pistons from 5 1 milliliter plastic